I need an agent that can market my home quickly and efficiently.
At William Raveis, we can supercharge the listing of your home using Ramp, our exclusive all-in-one marketing tool. Coupled with the local knowledge of our professional marketers, it's what gives us our competitive advantage.
What is Ramp and why is it so effective?
Ramp stands for Raveis Automated Marketing Program. Its groundbreaking technology helps us strategize the perfect sales plan for your home, generating more demand and ultimately a better price.
How does it work?
Ramp creates a unique sales campaign for your home, combining expert photography, virtual staging and walkthroughs, email blasts, mailings, advertising, and social media, all managed through our groundbreaking app.
How do I know how the campaign is doing?
Via Ramp, we can track your campaign at the click of a button. Every impression, click-through, and lead. You'll receive a fully transparent, real-time report with comprehensive analytics. This allows us to learn from the unique data of your home sale and evolve your campaign to maximize every sales opportunity.
Do any other real estate agents have access to Ramp?
No, Ramp is only available to William Raveis agents. Just one of our exclusive range of innovative products. With Ramp, not only will we market your home as widely and innovatively as possible, our unique tech will also allow you to track your marketing campaign every step of the way with our real-time reports. Contact us today to find out more. William Raveis, the best just got better.